Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gist. Apropos anything with all concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video.
To us, my people. She called me this night. She was crying. I couldn't just hold it. I said, everywhere cast, for where? She was crying. She not feel land. A woman, single mother of 3 children. Single mom of 3 children. Now, unless she take care of 3 children, they go. Ask me, say, where is the father? The father, na person where he meets the lady some time ago, never too late here. He meets the lady never too late here. He say, come, maybe we can do life together. Maybe we can enjoy together. Maybe we can bond together. Maybe we can make family. Now, the lady follow her, my people. She first get 2 for hand. He follow her finish, the 3rd one join her. The 3rd one join her finish. Husband say, I don't want to get. Now court matter, now they come they go, they draw each other, they go court. And I see like beye court here mom. Now the lady, see, let me just cut the whole story short. My problem is I am looking for an African woman who can take care of another person's child. Where be say he never born, or she don't born, maybe she get one, or she dey find pikin. Where go fit take care of another person pikin. Is there anyone, if you see this video, where you will feel come meet me say you can be responsible to take care of another person picking, because the mother is losing it. Husband no one sit down for us. Husband don't run leave. He don't run leave woman with 3 children. Me only she dey take care of 3 children. Hey, salo boy. Igbe wa wo me Europe na honestly speaking. I don't even know what the person want put for this Europe matter. She says she not fit again. She's losing it. Depression, wahala. She want give the pikin to the state, my people. She want give the pikin to government. I say, no. Make she not carry pikin give government too. If she willingly carry pikin give government, she not go see that pikin again. If there's any way be say, husband, may you carry pikin now. Husband not carry pikin. Say, may the girl allow and come they see the pikin for us. Now, Germany she did, yes. Make the girl let her come to see the pikin. You want to see your pikin, but you don't want to sit down with the girl. Now there 2 of you sit down for born now. But now you don't want to sit down with her. Make 2 of you take care of the pikin again. You just want to pull hand for pocket, come the waka around. Benin people too get problem. Rita, I don't want to insult Benin people on your platform. You know, you don't cause war between you and Benin. Please, not be that one. Don't me on arrest. Please, no time to fight tribal war this time around, please, No time to fight about Wesa and Bini, we are the same.
Somebody is asking the location of the woman with the child.
The location of the woman? Where is the location of this woman again?
Close to Stuttgart. Yeah.
Close to Stuttgart? Let me ask her where her location is. Baby papa, avez yon mwe koni yan rien. Yon mwe kono viere ne yon somo on laisse somo a yobo. All you do see ye court.
Precious said she can do it.
Court case. Presley, you can do it. Court case don't fall everywhere now. The woman, they say she dey fear. She don't want hurt herself. She don't want hurt baby. Now so cry, they cry. Husband, they drag her up and down, make her give her paper. You don't want to sit down for them. May follow and take care of children. Be away, boo. Oma de guamban, where woman down no. Wa la koniya. Wa mwe kono viere nena. Wa ye depression bego. Half of your life, okay?
Ask her.
She says she want carry give government. I say no. No carry give government too. Because if you that pikin is just 2 years old, it's still the time papas. If you carry give government, Before you go see that pikin again, go hard. Why will another woman take... Okay, may she can't hurt the children, or may she hurt herself. What if she can't die now? Stress too much. Or we ain't setting, every take her in, you live a life in. Oh, bien I'm going on me have, you're my setting on lose a VV. Not be everybody strong, my people. Everyone is not mentally strong like you. I beg me na they go Jare. Only if you are here to call my other number. If you are following me, call this number.
Let me look for your number there.
Her number. If it's here, help me look for it. I don't know if her number is there. Let me put my number here in case she see it, she can call. Ya dan wa vunri ma dan wa vunri eke muere ihwa muere ne wa wene ageti total na take responsibility na me man like it all. This is what I always say. Let her give the child to government now. They will take care of the child. If the child go to the government will collect all the children. I'm telling you. If they know say that she use her hand, take her and give government say she no fit, they will take all of them. They will take all the children. That is one thing government do. When government don't already know, say you don't by your hand, take surrender picking, say you no fit again. They will first of all enter here. Conscience say small depression, they worry you. Depression will be safe for even cure by itself. If government don't already know, says that depression is supposed to cure by itself, but we don't know what did happen. For that reason, let us enter your... Did you find the number?
It's not set here.
Oh, you call me. See what this one come dey right now. I shall die to tourist. Prince OBG. Come and look at them. Men. Avec bien ami we will see all this men husband. Oh. Salo bois oh. Avec husband ami we bo salo bois. Oh. Hello.
Hello, Sister Rita.
Hey, Adelafo.
I know, please remove me on speaker. Because of what you are talking, I am inside of it. I want just to talk to you for you to advise that not to try it. Please remove me on.
When I have speaker, we don't damn you. Me you talking for speaker. I could see fear for that people la. Oh.
Just I will just give you a little bit brief about me. So, the lady you are talking about now,
Yes.
I am into it, and as I'm talking to you now, I'm into it. I just thought to the stupid man I give birth to 3 children. He's a Yoruba man. When they are talking about Isha and Bini, people that don't have a head, they are the ones that think negative. That a tribe means nothing. It has to do with character of human. That
okay, this is your own na Yoruba man.
I'm telling you, I'm the one that gives him paper. I am the one that did everything. And we call it advocate here. That's lawyer.
Yeah.
He just like a beggar when it comes to me, when it comes to my life. I did everything. I honest to him. Could you believe me now, Sister Rita? I am playing it since I know him. I am dating myself. I'm just dating myself.
So what did he do now? He run away and leave the children with you?
I said I even give I am the one that just tell him to out of my house. Why? Because I was about to, when I'm sleeping, my heart is beating. Because if I die, if my enemy die, who will take care of the children? I have to talk to myself.
Okay, you was afraid, say they can't kill you for sleep.
My sister, I don't have anything. All those African friends, they say Europe. I am just myself. I listen to God, I listen to my mind. I just do godly way now, I give him paper. Make it just go. Would you believe I have 1 boy and 2 girls? He's living close to me now, close to my city. He's a drunkard. You know what he drunk? This what they call whiskey.
Whiskey, now they drink.
Hard alcohol, my sister. Not only that, that one. If he's going in the street, he will be drinking this whiskey, the packet, like a pure water. You know it? Like a pure water. He will drink so in the beginning when I was telling him, I was even begging him to be useful. I was begging him to be a man, as an African man, our parents being back home. I was begging him. Later I now got to know that it was a polygamy home. He came from polygamy home. The father is still alive now, 90-something. I was just playing a role of father, mother to my children. I work hard. I always put my children first before me. And if I go out, people will still be admire me because I'm a person that takes care of myself. Could you believe I would like someone into government? The paper that I used to do everything, they give me the commune. They call it commune your side also, am I right?
Yes.
All paper with me. I was telling him, in fact, it's a long story. He frustrated my life.
This
now,
very one now,
this
very woman now, this very person now, if pikin don't, it two way get for hand before don't grow, before this man carry wala come say they must come do relationship. This girl can't look at.
Yes.
Now he can't born one pikin for her. He born one pikin for her later. She can't no say na paper he want can't take make it wrong leave her. You know want take her serious. Two of them can't get issue. The paper never see reach the guy in her hand. Now the guy they fight make he get the paper. He carry the woman go court. On top of all the pressure, all the wahala, where they cheated, they take care of 2 children, with the 3 children, with the guy. Okay, the guy don't born one. He don't come give the girl belly. He can't born join. I can't leave the pikin for her. He just want to take paper, make come out. Now the guy is frustrated, crying, no help. Only she and 3 small children. She can't walk, she can't travel, she can't do anything.
My sister, advise her not to give up. She's not a woman of Africa. Advise her. I said what I'm passing through. This is not God. And in the way I brought up as a farmer, a farmer give birth to me. Assuming they not taught me how life will be tomorrow. I cannot leave this to go. Before I got my paper, my paper, I will leave with 50. I will still have 10 ending of the month. Tell him to hold on because if he give that child to government, they will collect everything.
They will collect all the children. That is where now make me tell her say, may we look for African person where go take the pikin.
If only conference they should drink. If only spaghetti.
Not be even food where they want shop. Not be the problem. She says she's not okay again anymore. She don't want to hurt the child. She don't want to hurt herself. And just look at and the child.
No.
I don't know. Honestly speaking, why is her number? Oh, call me.
Talk to her. She can't.
Thank you, my lady.
She can't, my sister. Just talk to her, not to give her. I thank God, the man never get pali, am I right?
The man not be that one even be problem. The man they even they drag and go court from court to court. Say you know they allow see pikin. If he come house, come see pikin. Hand they put for inside pockets. They waka around. Come see pikin. After he see pikin finish, he go waka come out. You don't want to take the pikin. You know what? Why do people give birth when they don't want to take responsibility?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
Can I speak to Rita? Because I'm watching this program right now.
Yes, I'm Rita.
Okay, maybe it's not live, eh? The one I'm watching now, maybe it's not live. I'm not on live.
It's live, but because of the waves,
it's live video, not live.
1 minute behind.
Okay.
Lower where what you are hearing from.
My husband said, "May you lower till you take the ear." Okay. It's because of the wave.
Why I just call you now because of the something I asked about the woman that the husband run away from.
Yeah.
I'm interested in it because I will just tell you that I should take care of the baby for the woman. I'm a man, but I can take care of the baby for the woman.
Ew. Okay? But the baby is a girl. Fear not go let us give man. I don't know whether fear go let us give man and girl it be. Which is
okay.
I wish na baby boy her. Now.
Discuss with her if she's interested. I'm ready for her. Okay.
Okay, but not be say you define girlfriend or woman.
No.
You have a wife?
Yes, but not here in Africa.
You have a wife in Africa?
Yes,
I'm not sure. Let me call her. The child will be better. Let me call her. The child will be better with a woman. Will be better with a woman. Since when I take on my life, I never see this kind of thing where they see for this Europe last side. I never even see on one day for my life.
Die von Ihnen gewählte Nummer ist nicht vollständig. Bitte rufen.
cannot take the number from there.
The number? I can take it from here. 1 minute. You did, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, someone's online.
One lady is online. I dey hear you.
Yeah, auntie. Nani say I will fit.
Okay, you say you will
I'll
fit take care of the
baby.
pikin.
Yeah, because I dey live alone, but I have one baby. I'm still a single mother because I know want to follow man because of waiting my dog doing it. So I know they're interested in man, but I dey interested in the pikin. If he fit, I dey Germany. If he fit, they bring the pikin for me. I would help and they take care of her. My baby
No,
is
the area when she
3 years
did,
is a boy.
the area when she did very far. I think she live in Stuttgart. No worry, I'll call her just now.
I know Stuttgart. I know
Where
Stuttgart.
the area where you
Stuttgart
did, they
is my
close to
place.
Stuttgart.
No, not there, but like 3 hours. I dey live for Regensburg.
Where you say they live?
Regensburg, under Bayern.
Onderburg.
Under Bayern Munich.
Regensburg.
Okay, under Bayern.
Yes, under Bayern for Regensburg.
Hmm? Okay. Now your number be this.
Wicked, eh? Men, they are very wicked. They be devil, men. Not be all shall some. Now waiting man still do me nice to make me still be single mother to be single mother of one. Men are very, very wicked. Men are very wicked. But God will just help that woman. I just see the pray, may God remove the hatred where I get for man. Because I believe that the hatred where I get for man, I know if you make me date any man. Because it's why I come to Europe. I not get any business with man. Because of waiting one do me after I don't collect my money, do everything. I say you want to use my money to build that, to go put my name. That's why I was so naive because I come Europe, I don't know anything. He carry my money finish, he said they do that, he not put my name. He said he give me the lesson, he tell me say I carry my brother come home, I beg. Tell hold on first, the room I did too small, tell go France or Italy. No, sir, I not go fit go France, mom could sleep for the grant. He said, God, no, it's not good for newborn baby now. First of all, he said, force me, make I said, go remove the belly. He followed me go hospital 2 times. The doctor every time.
He follow you go hospital 2 times to go remove the belly?
Yes, for Italy. The doctor tell him, say, she not go feel remove this belly. Why? Because the baby high. It's dangerous for me. He said, Lala, he take me go another hospital. For Satana, for Torino side. He carry me go there, begin to carry me, I can't tire. Because I come 2016, I can't get the letter 2018. Now I say, okay, it's not shame, I go bear her. Now I go call my mom, say, see, oh, I get the letter for Mao. See the man, they carry me, they go everywhere, make I go move the letter. 2 hospitals say, I no go feel move her. Okay, you leave this picky. If you don't want to take care of her, you leave this picky, I will take care of her. Because okay, fine. He say, no, he gives me medicine. He don't even know, say, na medicine to remove belly. I don't even know, say, na medicine to remove belly. He gives me medicine, but I can't see blood on top, but the baby not.
You don't know, say, he give you medicine to remove belly?
I don't know, say, medicine will give me na medicine of to remove belly.
Where you for see medicine? Now, for this Germany?
For Torino, for Italy.
Okay, for Italy.
Come Germany.
Because if not here, not go see medicine where they remove belly.
No come out. Like I go carry myself come Germany. I carried myself come Germany. That was the last time this man called me rich. I didn't even know her for her. I never get to know, but I know they call me at all. I know do about the person where they say I give my own money to they build that for Lagos. All the things where they have, that's why they also before I give it. Now my money is take carry the apartment. Ishaman, men, they not go that better. Some they are very wicked. Everybody.
Some, not say all of them. Some of them. Okay, like this one now.
Yes.
Woman, you don't judge. You just born. You know, say the woman fair get 2 children. Her own. She tell you say. Now, we go gather take care of children together. You say yes. You think say your paper don't complete. You just carry by your own leave the woman. Now you are not taking her to court, carrying her around. Don't bump pikin join her. Small pikin don't then. She don't fall under depression. You don't follow that depression. Walk enough, you walk again. This one enough you do again. I so cry every day with 3 children. Just live on with an wale. Ou where see a ye court is open Benue by force. He must come give you paper.
Mama Rita, men are wicked because me says me no get Italy for me no get documents for Italy neither in Germany. I never still get for Germany. That time I no get Italy for documents for Italy, but I don't know whether now because of documents.
Document is not supposed to be love.
No.
Why is document? The only thing people are just talking about now is document. No relationship again.
The woman where this one put for us now. Now woman where senior where reach to born her. Now he ever put for house. You know they pay me. Some men, or just they don't know say what did they not go do to their sisters? They know they do it to another person. Judgment day they wait for them. God go visit everybody. They don't know that one. I beg, if any way for me to help this lady because I see the single mother of one. My boy I born 3 years. Now let me want the trainer. I do on my own, nobody. But I never get document. If I see the air come, I will do it.
Maybe now because you never.
Okay,
the person will give you this belly now. We are in day.
He's in Italy. Me the Germany. Now he tell me come Germany.
Now he say me you come Germany.
Italy. Yes, this man. He did Italy for Torino. He can't send me come Germany. Now yeah. Now let it complete. After this, everybody getting no story to tell. That's why when they fight for dupli for camp, they know they pay us. They give us dupli for 6 months. We pay. I go to pay people. Make they give me food. This man never pass time for my own. So you know blood. Time. If you see the age rate where I get for man. I know those no make God just remove for my mind. God remove a trait for my mind.
God will remove a trait for your mind.
Or your platform of hookup. I see him. But some men, stupid men, so they send me friend request. See, men are very wicked. Men. I see it are beg. Anywhere I see say help the woman, because it's like
please, I beg, write me for inside WhatsApp. Who solicit to come help us join this woman, take one pikin, take care of him. I don't want more Igbo collect a pikin, my people. I don't want more Igbo collect them because if Igbo take one for inside, they go collect all of them finish. That is what they do. They will take all of them.
Yes, Mama. If it see be like
write
that,
me for inside WhatsApp, my lady. Say now you talk to me for Germany. Say you will feel and take care of pikin. I beg, wala ho.
Yes,
write me for WhatsApp. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Mama.
Yeah.
What's hello?
Call.
Kaisa. A program no I say nothing.
Say PG.
Ma? Okay. I call because of this hookup. What they do so concerning the guy where the baby, the father home live.
Yeah.
I don't know that you feel me because I forget interest for the baby.
Okay, I mean you forget interest to join and take care of baby.
Yes, because I did of my house. I wouldn't work through now. I didn't work, my husband didn't work, but I just
how many children you get?
I get 2, boy and girl.
Okay, you get 2. Which area you did? Na Stuttgart area she did.
No, I did Hamburg.
You did Hamburg.
Yeah.
You feel write me for inside WhatsApp. Now, Benin woman you be. Now, Igbo woman.
I write you for WhatsApp yesterday, but you not reply me concerning that food stuff medemende. You know,
Christmas medemende. Now, Monday. A Monday is the last time of payment too. We beg me yeah, worry. I accept it with Basona. You got I not there since morning. Never tell when I finish cooking. Just now where I take up. Now, bet that the same I be don't even do video today. If not be this one.
Send the money, but I don't copy your reply.
Write me back again. My people, something they happen. No, thank you.
It's something like us. We don't experience that because we don't say for this journey. We don't experience for those kind of something because.
Thank you. Write me again just now. You hear? For WhatsApp.
Okay.
Write me again. Say you will feel you solicit to help this our lady take care of this baby. My dear, put cloth for mouth. Me people don't know your voice. Put cloth for mouth. Eh, salo bois ba no meton egbe wa wo mi. Egbe wa wo mi. Egbe wa wo mi. Hello.
Hello, Mama. Oui, Mama.
Good evening.
Well done,
I hear.
Mama, this one, Mama, what I won't tell that woman.
make you know they let that man the enter his house at all because that one another problem when may not the letter they enter his house.
May I tell you, you know they let the man they come before. You know agree make come they see the baby. Because if the man come before, now that one make the man carry and go court so because court give her one paper. Germany give the boy one paper when they say he want document. Germany come the place where for they apply for document, they can't give her one paper say, you see this paper where we give you so. Go give the mother of your baby. Make it sign now say you are taking care of the child. You are seeing the child. Now there the public pass console. Then the boy can't carry the paper. Even I see the paper by myself.
Not let her enter a roof. Because that mafia they carry champ follow body they come.
Wait,
so the one when me jam, now me pursue by myself, mama.
Wait, he carry the paper, can't give this girl say, make he sign now, say in they take care of the baby. Now the girl say, why I want sign paper? Say you they take care of baby where you know they take care. Our agreement be say make we get family together. Now you don't know say you will fit take paper. You don't run. And the boy even lied to this girl say, in a Igbo girl like the girl because they speak Igbo. He go rent people. Oh now you rent him and my people. He go rent people and the guy is from Kogi. He go rent people. When he rent people finish, he carry people where Igbo people go rent as his own family. He go to pay the girl price. Will take boo. And the boy not be Igbo boy. He's a Kogi guy. Kogi guy.
Let her enter roof at all. Maybe not the let her enter inside her because
he go rent people.
So they use champ for that girl.
He go rent people. Wait, not be your family. He go rent them. They be Igbo people. He carry follow body, pay them. Say he want this girl. He want make the girl give her paper for Germany. They want do marriage. Those people can't follow the girl go Igbo land. They can't go do the marriage for the girl's senior sister hand. When they do the marriage finish, yes, plan work marriage. You see why they talk about marriage? Now later the girl can't no say he. So when he don't the guy don't run come for the house after he don't say he don't collect paper don't complete. Now later the girl can't no say he. People will even carry follow body from Kogi, go rent, carry go Igbo land, go to do marriage. They not be even in family. Now arrange marriage, now you follow the girl go do. A Germany be manama wakana. Or he just give am this belly.
We be women. We not go even they follow my again. Maybe we just there our own. That one I go just that person they get peace of mind fast now. Nigerian men both they don't get the one when they good. The one when me pursue by myself na Yoruba man. Na me just pursue and tell am say carry they go come out.
I say Uboriri enter my body. When I know say people go if you even go rent people. Go rent people for outside. Go take pay person price.
They find paper.
Yes.
And as it rent people so that still they carry they call different juju.
Later, since when you don't do all those things for this girl not normal again. Don't push her into depression.
Don't kill yourself for anybody. That man not reach when you go take care yourself. You not reach.
You don't put her for it to big
depression. My sister. Be strong.
Don't leave a make her.
Hear my voice. Be strong.
2 children as she gets.
You be the first person when man they don't leave.
You see, I know I'm born join this my 2 children again. Me I suffer they do my own. They go. They don't want me fake love. Ona mu na be total. Ona do ya your mopa by no ya me be na someone. And no be all this zakere your boy. All this see ele court here from court to court. No do le be ni.
That court make you see fall and they go. Problem not day. Anyhow when you want go make they go the court. As far as you not get what they do, say no they go work. It make you they fall and they go the court. May be strong. That man don't feel give you up attention.
No be Benima. The man is a typical Kogi man from Kogi State.
Magic.
And the girl is an Igbo girl.
Go punish her.
She's an Igbo girl.
Must punish her.
He go rent Igbo people, carry follow body, go they do arranging marriage. So that made them say, oh, he don't pay bride price, come bon. Now the girl take carry belle, come bon for her. When he bon finish, now he carry back.
I want to expel that one give government for you. You know if you expel that one give government for you. That one not concern them now.
That one not concern government. You let the government know this document marriage. Huh? Arranging marriage. Me maybe
that marriage when you do that, they won't carry follow body now because they say he don't marry her. You could use that one they say for government say he don't marry her, he don't marry na wife. May God go punish them. Mama, may I leave you, Gary? My sister, be strong. I better be strong. Not kill yourself because of anybody. Be strong,
eh? So the problem now is the while away can't be inside now, BC. Now. So if a person can go to the extent of paying people to come and arrange and marry a woman under false pretense. There's nothing that can ever happen again in this life. So people have gone to this extent of even doing this kind of a thing. Arranging marriage. People will not be family. Go bring they come marry. You not concern yourself. If you born one paper enter your hand, you carry bag, you go, not be your marry your family, you know. Baby don't come now. The problem is now, okay, she is living alone with the 3 children. And you people know that it takes the grace of God for a woman to live alone with 3 children who is still small. It takes the grace of God. I know there are single mothers that are strong. 3 children, 4 children living alone. It's not easy, my people. The truth must be said. It's not easy. And the girl say me the guy can't carry one for inside. Carry your own baby where you can't give me join her. Go take care of her. Since you say I know they let you come, they see this baby. It's not a problem. I know they let you see her. I know they let you see her. Somebody say I say many tribe was you know the girl know they let you see baby. Now the girl say okay, since you know they let you see baby, oh yeah, you come and take the baby now. Carry the baby. Go and take care of the baby so that document go enter your hand. Since na document you want, the guy say no. Because I will be working. I cannot take care of the baby. You just want to destroy. You just want to destroy. They come the girl ask put one for pocket, come they see the baby so that the girl go sign that paper. He go sign that paper for her. May he go submit for government. May government release the document for her. Just about document. You are not feeling for the sanity of this girl. You are not feeling for the brain of this girl. You are not feeling for how she is able to sit down and take care of 3 children alone. Hello, boy. Hello.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
I say, what? Good evening. What's the music for inside? Because I never hear this country before. Now, movie I dey see am. This night I just week when I dey watch your program, where you say go rent person, go do marriage. So minister na spirit, no be normal person be that one because normal person will get family, no fit go rent another person. Maybe go pay.
He go rent, so he go rent people. People go rent, come do a marriage. That one they say as a cry put for that one. Never cry finish. I be see a cut here by
spirit. Now spirit with that person, not the real person. Or he get what he they hide. Or maybe he get woman for Nigeria.
He get wife, he could just get wife for his states for that side or maybe family. Why go rent people come go to marry?
Anybody knows say don't marry. What do you mean to tell the woman may be strong and me they prayer for said that kind of person need to be real because you know your person if you go rent person can't go even marry you. You know even tell you know even know. Hey, it might go deep. Maybe get be prayer for me just strong for prayer. Now I need to be strong. No, be now I need to be they cry at all. I want me get to talk. Me just be prayerful.
And why my people not do well? You see, I don't know if I can. I'm losing it, Mama. I'm losing it. I can't stand this one anymore. The pain is too much. To be living alone with 3 small children. This last one now where the boy just live for now is 2 years. And to also be drag me, they drag down, they follow court, they go make come give them paper. I'm losing it. I don't know if I can take it. If anybody day we go fi carry the last pikin make e help am take care of am for inside. So wa u gbe wan ja gun an le lu wa hian. Osalobo wa. Document is not everything in this life. Okay, we want contest to say this woman no get character so. Woman wey go cook for ground, he go take care of you. All the suits where you dey buy na im money, you take buy all of them. Everything where you dey wear na her money she take buy am. Bring money come, you know they stingy for you. The time where you never dey stand, where they want deport you, where you dey find where you want put your head, she carry her head come and she use herself make sacrifice for you. Look at the way you not treated her, driving her into depression. Hello.
Sarita, good evening.
Good evening.
How about you now? How the family?
Are they fine?
Yeah, they watch your program. They watch your program, they hear about the lady when they talk. Sister Lisa, one thing I will let you know be saying, you know, people say, when you see the sweet, we know they hear her, and when you beat her, don't they hear. And this issue when they go now, you don't hear from the guy side though. Not only the lady say, now we hear.
Who tell you say we never hear from the guy side? I don't carry two of them come out for social media. That guy don't fit talk for my. Now my platform I for first settle the matter. As I settle the matter finish for platform this year, early this year. As I settle the matter finish. Now the girl be still want the guy, but the guy say no want the guy again.
Okay, and Sister Rita, wait till me they ask now, eh?
No, wait, but my brother, wait till go make person go rent people come to do marriage. May you talk down.
Wait, now what I say, hold on, may I not vessel. May the girl not be listen to me. The family of the girl, they too door to the state that when they wanted to marry my sister, see they hear me so, they asked the owner for call, they said that my people from our side send other people go like investigation for where their daughter they go. It's okay, now just say they want to come marry person, you just come, put money for them. Now never know when daughter they go.
You know, no, say when two people
okay, they don't come picking gift. They want to kill, they want to go kill her. If they don't come picking gift and without, they never go ask. Okay.
Then they happy say something no happen because if something never happen to you, you not go believe say they happen for this life. Yeah. Okay. And they come. The guy say my family are there Europe, and they send my family come me to my family, me they come marry. People where they Nigeria where give their children out for marriage, they don't see that kind of thing before. But how much more they go believe say for one family they come marry their pikin? Not be Odoviri, they see say family come say they want to compare their picking bride price for Europe.
Sister Rita, the problem is the girl don't enter. But to me I not go about and say make picking the person. If not to sound say they had people to the support her, they take off her baby, make she take off the tea. Now she get picking. Nobody fit take off the picking the way she take off the picking. About the boy matter. I may sorry for the boy because he used to do the team like the sweet for body.
My brother, the truth of the matter, can't go boy any guano down. You know what that boy can they doing? That boy can they do one kind of thing where I tell no saying. The time where he can they ready to tell leave this woman. He go enter the kitchen, he go the snap dirty plates, he go the snap and picture. He go the snap the small mistake where the girl they make for his ass. He did my brother wait.
Why you ask this lady say what did the boy come they do for a house?
He don't come out, he not the day again. Now they talk so.
Hey, make the guy get the fuck and let me the little girl pick her piece of her life together, make she start her life again now. She don't go to 300 for the father, they know they tell me say she go okay herself. What did me free for that she said? Many first of gather if not to they help the girl with the picky, then they help her.
Not be make us, not be make me carry the matter come out for live video so. The man
may get the fucker because for people they say
may they do it.
Said Isha Percy, this one, that one. No, don't say that.
Okay, Coco Zarina, you remember this story? Now that story that time I ain't be this so. Now that story that time.
Sis, I know everything. You don't get me, so I know. As long as the guy don't come, only test it for there. If not true, you try anything they want to take gather, but they support the girl and applique, make she start her life. Me, I'm not advising me carry to kick anybody. Now she make she carry me to take up. Now just support.
Because if she say the girl court case now, the guy don't carry the girl go court. Eh?
The guy not get single sense.
I take guesses. Me no say no guess. You know one thing where the boy do we make me know say. Where he make me know say that boy ready con that girl life. If they carry phone, all the small mistake of that girl for his ass. That time when don't ready to deliver and come they snap all of them picture. They snap the plates with dirty picture. They snap and picture they send go they give people they find reason to say the girl not good. Because he don't they ready to leave and they look for a mistake, they use hand and leg, they find all a mistake for his ass.
The girl not good. You hear me so? The girl not good. It's not good for her. Make it leave the girl. By the grace of God, the better person will people carry the girl, carry the. Listen, sis, so not vessel. Here, later like that. Milano here, just myself to the girl self, now see your friend, she's not married. Now 3 children, 3 men, this one no good. But the third one, sis, if I tell the wedding, then I may do best man follow them. They are happily married. The guy make sure he adopt all the old children. The rest may not get single right, they don't complete those children. Because you know they want the children to grow. Now, so this man will see be tomorrow when we see you consider you can't regret. You know the copying. You know the copying. People they pay money they find up and down. He did they fool himself because he don't tell that woman first ability they worry. No, see,
Okay,
to me,
the girl say me the
let's
guy
look how
carry
to
the
help
pikin.
the girl.
Since you say that the documents they important for you pass him and the children.
And that
Okay,
document no go get am.
carry the pikin.
And that document
May
no
you
go
they
get
take
am.
care of the pikin. The guy say no. He not the carry pikin they work.
I
He
think
want
that-
come they see
I
the
think this
pikin
is
for the
jam-
girl
this
ass.
is jam be full.
May for see opportunity take
And
they
that
see
doc-
the girl. They enter the girl ass come they see the pikin so that the girl go come sign paper for them. May go take document. May document complete. And woman do
That
ye maguna.
document, he no go see am. But the girl dey listen to me. If in the front of her door, may go tell her she don't look. May they change the key. May the boy not fit enter the house again. Maybe she not the house. May pursue the boy. The boy come make up before her. You dey hear me so? The boy not get ready to call it. Okay, the pikin never will take care of it. No, no, they buy pampers. If they put pikin, may come check pikin pampers. He not fit. Now the pikin go make they come for the pikin body.
not free
give am
now, they drag
document.
am
Now
up and
the
down from
document go
court
kill
to
like
court.
that now.
Imagine me egbe na
To my
te.
own
Ewe
to
bona ni. Ewe bona.
To my own to the girl, sis, to my own to the girl, me I advise the girl, take care of her children, to me take care of her baby. If it
Not
dey
be person
possible,
wey dey
the
okay
doctor
for
say
head,
that
not be
something
dey take care of
contribute for
pikin.
them. And let's try to help the girl out. Make the boy get the fuck out. That is not the end of the little girl's life.
Thank
It's
you,
not
my
the
brother.
end.
Thank you.
It's not the end, sis. I'll write for WhatsApp.
Thank you. Somebody say, Kola, why are you insulting the guy? My brother, let's be sincere, even though say you be boy. I bet sincere, they go do your sister. Truth not say make them talk, how will you way? I bet more they talk to Jare, I know they like all this kind of thing. Why they insult the guy? They'll do you. Carry fake love, go to enter person life, you don't born finish, say, call the drag out, they go from court to court. If you don't cut time paper, may you take collect your document and lie. Say me here, nous vions hangere. Nous vions hangere passer les meilleurs rien. Like, no, they talk this kind of thing. Say, why they insult the guy? Why they not go insult her? They will do your sister. You don't get sisters. Please, it's good for somebody to have conscience, my brother. Have some conscience inside you, please. Now, me, they follow women, they quarrel for you if they don't do it, no good. All this year, fake love one, they carry, they go, Wamukba, Ematama, when I see you got Temata, your hoe. Eh? She's emotionally derailed. They say why they insult the guy. I don't know why you that mama. All the money where they life, you pack all of them. Use all of them. They wear better clothes. Drain and finish. Collect everything. E ben your pike and I was selling the cut from court to court. Me o manadori ben inu e moro to amagba o mo. E kin ben akon mi na. Hello.
Hello, my sister. Good evening.
Good evening.
I be one contribute to which area the girl dey?
Na Stuttgart area.
You can give me a number because now Stuttgart me say still dey.
E Stuttgart we ya inu mo we me on we. Inu mo me.
Hi me.
E ha, we me yipa. Te wa travel.
Mo e fikare.
Okay, go me mo ye speakeri. Okay, yari yenu ene sa we say we o glory be to God to yi odon we bia na be ya report we ya ite in na te mi we Boga asio yo si oriba. Okay, oge ni nari yo mo. Wasetu emi ya nenia. Eria na wabe wo ho na se yo si erele koti hia. Okay, we ate gwenye gwa. We ka be you me are no buy no we bania. Ma. Ngwabo eja gwa. Oh money amount in real life. Ne man ga khe maybe life. You know say my people. This truth of the matter is that if you not see wetin no good, even though say you be man, not side down, make God for stand by you. Not to say they never hear from the man. I don't hear from the man. I don't hear from her. Now he won't leave that relationship saying no want to play again. Why? What way? Hello.
Hello.
Eh?
Hello, what's up?
Eh, quoi, da?
Hello. Yeah. The conversation was Gary no Guaba, there are the Guaba, I don't think Gary obey him. Written the word, we
know the yes, speak pidgin English, maybe hear what you did talk.
No, for example, where did that guy talk now? Not because they talk. You don't want to address anything. Not the way the guy they talk. They address that guy.
I beg my brother, they go. Why can't we be now? Why can't go? Ah, I beg why can't? No be assisted they talk, no be so they take it. How you say me they talk? I said this matter I don't take away day grant. Even ya wa ya me now. As person take the talk, come don't go les suggestions nous doré mi no reyo talk. O bi ave nous jek boko izabako. O mo kono si ale le court non doriye beninye. Igwe meruwe di matter yen ni matter ni yas you know we. Wa do ati eve no ya gwan big mina we to gbina ma. La wo wa hien man like gbave colors na ba son na. Be na kwa vi bi ayi. E matter ma we na etinye. Awa mwemi ho yo to we wa son gbina. Okay,
my amazing people, we don't come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching with us. Thank you for your support. We really do appreciate you all. Please do us a favor by subscribing and help us to share this video, like this video, and we'll see you all in our next video. Bye bye.